Hello student, in this video we will learn about thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics. First law of thermodynamics is also known as law of conservation of energy. According to this law, the total amount of energy of system and its surrounding remain constant. When system changes from initial state to final state, first law of thermodynamics is stated in different ways, but meaning of all the statement is same. Statement of first law of thermodynamics. First, the energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be converted from one form to another form of energy. Second statement, the total internal energy, that is U, of an isolated system is constant. Third, the total amount of energy of universe is constant. Fourth statement, whenever some quantity of one form of energy disappears, an exactly equivalent amount of another form of energy makes its appearance. And last statement, the total amount of energy of system and its surrounding must remain constant, although it may change from one form to another form. These are the statements of first law of thermodynamics. Now let us discuss about mathematical equation of first law of thermodynamics. Mathematical equation of first law of thermodynamics is delta U is equal to Q plus W. There are two ways by which system can exchange energy with surrounding. By the flow heat or work across the boundary between system and surrounding. As a result of exchange of energy as heat or work, the internal energy of system changes. Any energy supplied to form the system in the form of heat cause its internal energy to increase. Example, in this system, U means internal energy for a gas can be increased by heating its flame, doing compression work on it. On the other hand, removal of heat and work by the system result decrease in internal energy. Suppose quantity of heat Q is supplied to this system. W is amount of work done on this system. By surrounding, the internal energy of system will increase and it is given by delta U is equal to Q plus W. This is the mathematical equation of first law of thermodynamics. Delta U is equal to Q plus W, where delta U is increase the internal energy of system, Q is amount of heat absorbed by system, and W is work done on system by surrounding. This is the first law of thermodynamics. In our another lecture or next lecture, we will discuss about the needs of second law of thermodynamics or limitation of first law of thermodynamics. Thank you, student.